KOAM News Now, jln News First. I'm Shannon Becker. This is a two-vehicle crash just to the north of Carl Junction. A commercial box truck traveling south on 284, we're told, was T-boned by a small service vehicle, like a minivan almost. Schrader's Towing and H&H Wrecker are here. We're told 3 people to the hospital, all suffering non-life-threatening injuries. If you tap your screen, click that bit link. More details right there. The box truck is carrying mattresses, we're told. To dig out an area here so they get the straps up underneath that box. Once again, 3 people transported to area hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. If you tap your screen, click that bit link, and the details are there. This is County Road 284 in Ivy, which is to the west of 171. If you could share this, I'd appreciate it. Let everybody know your Carl Junction Fire Department is getting an extra workout today. Already responded to this, their second motor vehicle crash of the day. Also, some downed trees from last night. It's a little brisk today. Thanks for sharing our stories. It was a busy night last night. Storms in Carthage and also a SWAT in Joplin after a shooting in the 1800 block of South Main Street. You can see here with a vehicle T-boned right here, that portion of the side of that box truck. Once again, non-life-threatening injuries. 3 people transported to the hospital. Southbound box truck and an eastbound commercial service vehicle, I guess we'll call it. Looks kind of like a minivan sort of thing. Thanks to our tipsters who let us know what they're seeing. It's north of Carl Junction. This is Schrader's Towing, preparing to set this large box truck upright. I believe it's filled with mattresses, we were told. Thanks for sharing our stories. There's only one place you'll find out live and local news as it's happening. It's KOAM 7. If you haven't downloaded our KOAM app, we have an app. It's got a little white logo on it. It's a new one they've had in development. It is fantastic. I believe it's going to be our new app that we ever use all the time. We'll phase out the other one. You get on the App Store or Google Play. It's white. You can see newscasts as they're happening, or just immediately afterwards. It's replaying. I love it because I never have time to sit down and watch the news. I'll put up details how to download that app in our comments after the live video here. Ivy Road and County Road 284. This is to the west of 171 on Ivy Road. Non-life-threatening injuries to 3 people transported to an area hospital. If you tap your screen, click that bit link, all the details are right there for you. Already prepared that article. Gives you a map also where County Road 284 and Ivy Road are, just to the north of the Carl Junction city limits. It is windy and brisk. Boy, these Schrader's kids, they are impressive. Always always. Wow. They'll have this cleaned up here quickly now. You tap your screen, click that bit link. I'll put details if you want to download that KOAM News Now app. I've been using it all the time. It's awesome. In Carl Junction, it's north of Carl Junction, excuse me. I'm Shannon Becker, KOAM News Now, Joplin News First.